Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a picture of yourself and someone special. In my example, I drew a picture of myself and my son. And it's a cute drawing that reminded me of Mother's Day. So I'm going to teach you how to draw a picture of yourself and a picture of someone special. All right, so all you'll need is a piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, and an outline pen. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to first turn my paper to the side. I want it to be horizontal, so it's going to look very long. It's not going to be tall, it's going to be very long. All right, and the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start with a sketch. So I want to start with one circle towards the top, not at the top, just near it. I'm going to start with one circle right about there. And that's about the size of maybe like a dollar coin, bigger than a quarter. And then I'm going to draw another circle that's going to be slightly smaller, and it's going to touch the side. So I'm going to use the sketch line so I can kind of guide it. I'm going to make the circle lower and slightly smaller. All right, so I've got one circle here and another one that's right on top, right on next to it on the side. These are going to be our faces. So the small one is going to be you, and then the taller one will be your special grown-up, whether that be your mom or your aunt or your grandpa or your dad, anyone you want. Okay, so this little one is you. Here's how we're going to start. I want you to find the center of that circle, okay? And I want you to put an X right in the center, okay? Now, underneath that cross, I want you to make a circle. One circle there. We're going to do the other side. One circle here. And we're going to color those in. Go ahead and color those circles in. Okay. Now I want you to erase that cross. That cross was just a guide for us. Okay. Now we're going to complete the eye. You can leave it just dots if you want, but if you want to try another way, you can make a half rainbow shape and then a curve on the bottom, and do the same thing on the other eye. So I make a half rainbow around and then I curve it in, okay? And you can make your eyes bigger so they touch the bottom, or you can just have them floating as well. All right, now in between those two eyes, I'm going to put a little smiley face for the nose. And the mouth, I'm going to make a smile because this is going to be a happy portrait. So I'm going to make a smile. And then I'm going to make a little U underneath. So it really looks like he's smiling really big. I'm going to put a line through the center so it looks like his teeth. Or her teeth. I'll actually make this one into a girl. I'll show you how to make it into a boy first, and then I'll show you how to add on to make it into a girl. So we've got the face. We're going to put an ear. The ear usually comes between the eye and the nose. So I'm going to put it on the side over here. Just a little half circle on that side. And same thing on the other side because he's got two ears. Other half circle there. And for his hair, well, I'm going to part it down the center. So I'm going to make a diagonal line here, and then it's going to come down to the ear. And then I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to add a little character. I'm going to put a little half triangle, and then bring it down to the ear. So he's got a little bit of a bang going on there. I'm going to add 2 half circles on top of the eye for eyebrows. And so that could be a boy. We could stop right there and we could totally make that a boy with short hair, or a girl with short hair. But for this, I'm going to show you how to make longer hair. So boys, if you want to stop there, you can. Or girls with short haircuts, you can stop there too. But if you've got longer hair, I'll show you what to do. So remember that circle we started with? We're going to continue it down. And I'm actually just going to make, well, it kind of looks like a broom shape to me, but really it's a triangle on the side. And that's going to be like the back of her hair that's coming down. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to come down, make that sort of broom triangle shape, and bring it back up. Now I'm not going all the way across because I do want to leave some space for her neck. And I'm going to make a U right under her smile. Just like that. Okay, now on the side of her, right where her ear is, I'm going to make a curve down to the bottom of my paper. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side of the hair, and I'm going to make a curve down to the bottom. And if you notice, the curve goes inward, so that way it looks like it's getting smaller. All right, now we're actually going to take a break with her. We're going to stop there. We're going to move on to your grown-up. So, again, I want you to find the center of the circle and put an X very lightly in the middle. Now on the bottom right side, make a nice big circle. Go ahead and fill it in. Do the same thing on the other side. Nice big circle. Fill it in. You can stop there. You can use dots as eyes. Those work fine. Or if you have your own style of eye that you like to draw, definitely do that. Okay, this is just one idea for you. And we're going to do the half rainbow shapes and curves underneath. I'm going to make my circle a little bigger so that it does touch the bottom. And then I'm going to make this grown up my mom. So I'm going to put 3 U's on the side of the eye for eyelashes. And I'm going to put little half curves above the eyes for eyebrows. I'm going to erase that plus sign that we made, that cross, to find the center because I don't really need it anymore because I've got my eyes in the right place. I'm going to put my nose right in between the eyes but below. And then a smile for her too. I'm going to put a smile on the top and a smile on the bottom. You could put little curves on the side if you like. And I'm going to put a line through so it looks like teeth. All right, now for her hair, I'm going to make it different. So this is how straight hair looks. My hair happens to be really curly. So I'm going to show you how to do some curly hair. So instead of drawing curved lines or straight lines, we're going to be using a lot of wavy lines. So I've got one wavy line there, and I'm going to go around and do another wavy line over here. And then I'm going to go above. So I'm still making sort of wavy lines going around. And then I'm going to keep on going, wavy, wavy, wavy. You can make the hair as long as your special person's hair is. I'm going to make medium hair. It's going to come around, 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 and then it's going to go wiggly back up. Okay, so technically it just looks like you're seeing it from one side. I'm going to erase the line that I can see from my original circle because I don't need that so much anymore. I've got hair now. on the outside. All right, so under the mouth, you're going to put a U. And then, just like we did that half curve, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find the middle of the hair. We're going to curve it down. Okay. Now, these two characters are going to be like they're hugging one another. So, here's what we're going to do for the hugging part. I'm going to have one curved line come from the top part of where her shoulder would be. So here's her neck, here's her shoulder. I'm going to make a curve that comes down to about halfway on the kid side. And I'm going to copy that. And it's going to start wide and it's going to come and narrow down. Then I'm going to put a hand on the end. I'm going to do a thumb and a pointer finger and a middle finger and a ring finger and a pinky finger. All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the kid. So the kid's arm or her neck is right here, so her shoulders are here. So her curve line is going to go this way, and I'm going to make it look like her curve is underneath the mom's curve. Okay, and I'm going to give her a thumb and some fingers. All right. Now we got to kind of dress them up. So I'm going to put a curve in the center of her. She's going to be lower. And then I'm going to put a curve in the center for the grown-up because she's taller. I'm going to put a line down the middle and another line down the middle so it looks like they're wearing pants. And then last, what I want you to do is I want you to erase any lines that are peeking through hair or arms or hands. Let's erase those lines. Even the original circle, if it's peeking through some of the hair, go ahead and erase that. All right, I'm going to add some eyelashes to her as well. And there we have it. You can add a heart in the center with some little dash lines to make it look like you're sharing love. But also, I would recommend that you outline. So you're going to take a black pen. You're going to outline all around your original lines. And then when you're all done, you'll get something like this. And you can add color. You can make it really bright. You can write a message next to it and give it to someone special for Mother's Day. All right, guys. Hope you had fun. Bye.